Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Christine. Today we're gonna just kind of play around with some makeup. I really wanted to create a look that didn't consist of wearing a winged liner or any eyeliner at all. It takes you about 10-15 minutes and you're out the door. Simple look without any wing liner. If you guys enjoy these types of videos, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. I would really greatly appreciate the support. I already just applied my brows off camera using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. Primer, we're gonna go today with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. It's pore minimizing. This reminds me of the primer from Benefit Professional. For the foundation, we're going to use the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a compact, which contains SPF 50 in the shade medium. This also does come with like a little puff, but we're going to skip out on the puff. Sigma 3D HD Kabuki. I like this because it's a serum. It's in a solid form and it has the SPF 50, so that's always a good thing. And it's super easy just to kind of swirl this onto the face. Buildable up to full coverage. Currently testing out these new concealers from the brand Makeup Revolution. They are the Conceal and Define full coverage concealer. So I have C8 as well as C6. C6, I'm going to use that to highlight underneath the eyes. A lot of people are saying that this is similar or almost comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape. The applicator is very similar to the Tarte Shape Tape. However, the coverage isn't quite the same. It's pretty good, but I would have to apply 2 layers of it to really get maximum coverage. This is 1 layer, but I like to have more coverage, so we're gonna apply a bit more. Price point on this isn't bad at all. I think it was like $6.99. So definitely not bad, very affordable. We're gonna try out, this is the Milani Translucent Light to Medium Powder. It's a little dial here where you can turn your desired amount. Bake underneath the eyes a bit. This is also my first time trying this powder, so we'll see how it goes. So let's go ahead and work on the eyes. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C8. And we're going to use this as eyeshadow base. Go in with a fluffy brush, and this is the by Pores Pressed from IT Cosmetics. I'm just going to sweep this right on the eyes to set the concealer from Milani Cosmetics. These are the, what are these called? The Bella Eyes Gel Powder Eyeshadows. And the first one I'm going to use is 04 Bella Cafe. This has a satin matte finish and it's just a really beautiful brown, which we are going to just kind of pop into the crease to give it some definition. Bella Khaki, which is a really beautiful olive green, and it's a shimmer. Just gonna take this is in Evolution BX66 from Royal and Nickel, and I'm just gonna place this like right onto the outer third of the eye. LA Girl Pro Prime High Definition Eyeshadow Primer, and it is so dingy. A detailed brush from Real Techniques. And I'm just going to carve out just a little small space. Some of this green and fade it, just so that we don't have a harsh line. This is one of their new highlighters from Milani Cosmetics. It's the Rose Glow Stellar Lights. I think I'm actually going to take probably this middle color called Golden Quartz, and I'm just going to take it right on my finger. Wow, that is so pretty. Just going to pop that right on to right where we place the concealer. Wow, that is super brightening. I'm just going to take a little bit more the green just to fade it in a bit. Wipe away any of the excess powder underneath my eyes. We did bake. And I'm just going to smudge a bit of this right underneath my lash line just to kind of balance it out. I'm going to curl my lashes. I Love Extreme Mascara from Essence Cosmetics. Just gonna apply generous coats on my top and bottom lashes. So to add some warmth back to the face because I look super, super pale, I'm gonna use the Profusion Pro Conceal and Contour palette. Blush, we're gonna go in with Luminoso from Milani Cosmetics. I haven't used this one in quite some time. Swirl that right onto the cheeks. Even on days when I don't really want to wear a lot of makeup, I just love wearing highlight. So we're actually going to take this color right down here called Rose Gold. Little fan brush. Just going to pop this right onto... Ooh, dang. That is pretty. This color called Pearl. Right in the tear duct of the eye to really... Ooh. That is my alarm because I definitely wanted to set a time limit for myself because this is supposed to be like a no hassle look, but you still look pretty much put together and it didn't take you that much time. Now I'm just gonna kick off the rest of the powder and I'm just gonna go in with the Bye Bye Pores pressed and just go over the makeup. Last but not the least, we're going to try one of these new products, also from Milani Cosmetics. It's called the Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper, and this is in the shade 01 Champagne. Everybody seems to be coming out with these really fat doe foot applicators. Ooh, that is really pretty. Spray my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look, wearing no wings liner or no eyeliner at all. This is something that's definitely out of my comfort zone, used to wearing black liner ever since I was in high school, and that's like going way back. Really enjoyed filming this, and I hope this kind of also inspires you to maybe get out of your comfort zone. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here. I would greatly appreciate all the support. Follow me on my social media. Sending you guys, as always, positive vibes all around and a big virtual hug to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.